G'day, I'm Kevin Young. I'm Australia's most successful property investor, but I started out poor, and I'm constantly being asked, how do you do it? How do you get there? You ask me, I'll give you the solutions. Between us, we'll make you wealthy.
So have you got any suggestions for investors when the fact that the GFC comes around again? Thank you.
Good, Ken. No, stay here, stay here. First of all, I've got to ask you, where are you hiding that gold and the cash, please? Mate, I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're blessed with thousands of miles of ocean around us, and just 22 miles of ocean kept England safe from the ravages of the Middle Ages when there was bloodshed and all sorts of stuff going up and down Europe. We're very, very lucky. We're very, very lucky too that we've got a stable, good economy. And a good thing happened in 2016 is we actually made profit trading with the world, and that's the first time we've turned a profit in 3 years. And on the estimates going forward for 2017, we should turn a profit again. So we're not a basket case like these others are. Also, our banks are heavily indebted to overseas banks, but most of it is on mortgages and things that we have. The good news is that if you converted your super to your mortgage, that debt to overseas countries would disappear. So we would lose that line. So we've got plan B if overseas funds started to dry up again. In 2005 I predicted that in 2008 we'd have an American financial crisis. Then I wasn't aware that America had hired most of it across to Europe. So what we ended up with was Northern Hemisphere crisis. So they referred to it as the Great Financial Crisis. If you go over there and tell them there was a world financial crisis, they'll laugh at you. They say, no, it wasn't. Didn't affect Canada, didn't affect South America, didn't affect New Zealand, didn't affect India, didn't affect Asia, didn't affect China. Kevin Rudd cleverly had to mask the reason for throwing $100 billion away and creating a banking monopoly. So come up with this term that everyone's grabbing and running with. There was no GFC. There was a Northern Hemisphere, or as they call it, the Great Financial Crisis. Didn't affect anyone in Australia. There were 5 New South Wales councils that bought some of this toxic debt. None of Rudd's money went to them. He caused a banking monopoly by getting the big five or was Citibank, and giving them $125 billion of your money. And they went and created a monopoly. Thanks, Ken.
Thank you.